In a remote corner of the Pacific, where land and sea converge in a spectacle of life, nature thrives in ways found nowhere else on Earth. Here, science and nature form an unbreakable bond. When Charles Darwin arrived in 1835, he never imagined that his observations of wildlife would inspire a theory that would change our understanding of life: evolution by natural selection. As the world recognized the significance of these islands, we also came to understand their fragility. To protect them, the Charles Darwin Foundation was established in 1959, a refuge for science and conservation. For over 6 decades, together with the Galapagos National Park, we have fought to preserve these unique islands against mounting threats. But today, those threats are greater than ever. Human population and tourism are on the rise. We face a climate crisis. Invasive species are displacing unique plants and animals, and illegal fishing casts down on vulnerable marine species. To tackle these challenges, we work on more than 25 research and conservation projects. One of our main approaches is to investigate the distribution of invasive species, both on land and at sea. We investigate control methods for the avian vampire fly, the main cause of death for land birds, such as the mangrove finch, which has less than 100 individuals left. We work to guide the ecological restoration of Scalesia forests, which have been reduced to less than 1% of their original distribution. And we assess how climate change is impacting mangrove forests, a critical habitat for more than 60 endangered species. Our priority is to protect the long-term health and well-being of the unique species of Galapagos, as well as the communities that depend on them. That is why, since 1977, we have been monitoring the population of penguins, albatrosses, and flightless cormorants to understand the fluctuations that occur in the face of climate crisis and major pathogens. We study the movement and health of Galapagos giant tortoises and their relationship with human settlements. We restore vital ecological habitats to facilitate the reintroduction of locally extinct species such as the Floriana mockingbird. We analyze the migratory routes of sharks to determine the effectiveness of marine reserves in protecting them against unsustainable fishing practices. We explore deep ocean ecosystems still largely unknown to science in order to understand their biodiversity, connectivity, and vulnerabilities, and improve the management of marine protected areas in the region. During these last 6 decades, we have been part of the Galapagos community, providing scientific knowledge to both big and small. Through environmental education, we empower new generations, because the future of Galapagos depends on those who call it home. We work with the community to promote sustainable fishing, agriculture, and tourism practices in order to protect both livelihoods and ecosystems. Over many years of work, we have amassed a natural history collection of more than 135,000 specimens, and we collaborate with more than 300 research and academic institutions to advance science. All of our acquired knowledge is freely available so that the Galapagos can continue at the forefront of science as a global model that inspires others to effectively preserve our planet. Galapagos is more than an archipelago. It's a living laboratory, a testament to the power of nature and the responsibility we share to protect it. Every species we protect, every ecosystem we restore is a victory. Join us to protect Galapagos and impact the world.